Dell Pro Max Tower T2. Category 3.0, dB. Offer, Dell. It has a 3-year Pro Support on-site warranty. This can be upgraded to 4 or 5 years. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. System dimensions. Height, 15.24 inches, width, 7.4 inches, and depth, 17.24 inches. On the front of the system, we have the power button, universal audio jack, 2 USB 3.2, Gen 1, and 2 USB 3.2, Gen 2, Type-C. On the back is the power connector, 2 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type-C, 1 Thunderbolt port, 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, and 1 RJ45 Ethernet port. We also have a Kensington security cable slot and a padlock ring. To open the system, loosen the screw at the back, pull the latch to release the side cover, and lift it out. The system comes with an Intel Core Ultra 5 235. This can be upgraded to an Intel Core Ultra 7 265. It has 32 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 5600 MHz, and can be upgraded to 64 gigs or downgraded to 16 gig. For internal storage, there's a 512 gig M.2 NVMe SSD. This can be upgraded to 1 terabyte or downgraded to 256. It has integrated Intel graphics and an internal speaker connected to a Realtek ALC 3204 audio controller. Expansion slots. There are 4 full-height PCIe slots, 3 M.2s for a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card and SSDs, and 4 SATA ports for 3.5-inch hard drive or optical drive. It has an Intel W880 chipset and a Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Power is supplied by a 360-watt Platinum PSU.